Hello and welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev KMR BGP. In today's video, I'm going to share you about three companies, and all three companies are most suitable for core portfolio. And within few minutes, I'm going to share you that at present we can buy, we can make fresh entry or not, or if you are already holding this company, so I am suggesting you that can we make can you add more, or is this the time to exit? Before moving forward, I want to share you that I am not SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am sharing, if any company I am discussing, that companies are not my recommendation. This video I am creating only for the educational purpose. For that, I'm sharing TradingView website and one company, that is Tips Industry. And this is the chart of Tips Industry. And Tips Industry closing price in August month is 752 rupees. At present, current price is 700 rupees. So this is not the perfect time to fresh entry as well as add your tranche. And one more thing, no need to exit as well. This is a small profit booking. So if you are holding, just keep it hold. And next month definitely I will share you again what we should do in this company. Our next company is Trent Limited. In Trent Limited, last month closing was 7,219 rupees. At present price is 7,797 rupees 90 paise. If you want fresh entry, you can. If you are holding this company and you want to add tranche, you can add tranche. But if you want profit booking and you want to exit, this is not the time to exit or sell. So please hold it. Our third company is uh, CDSL. CDSL last month closing price was 1,433 rupees. At present price is 1,494. So if you want to buy new entry, if you want to buy, you can buy. If you want to add, if you're already holding and you want to add, you can add here, but you should not exit. This is not the time for exit or profit booking. Thank you so much to all of you for watching my video. If you think that something you are getting valuable in this video, then definitely you should press the like button. And if you have not subscribed my channel as yet, so please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching my video.